Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick video on Cardano. Wanted to cover it because it's been well, surprisingly bullish since the 1st of December. I mean, obviously Bitcoin since the 1st of December has rallied a lot, but if you compare, for example, Cardano with Matic, Cardano has been way more bullish. If you compare it with Solana, Cardano has been way more bullish. And I know that there's quite a significant Cardano loving community around Cilinix crypto, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts. All right, it's been super bullish. We just broke above 50 cents. We're now in this key area between 54 and 50 cents. So the obvious question is, can we rally higher? All right, so that's what I'll try to answer for you, and just in general what to expect. All right, so let's get right into it. I want to start off by saying that right now, Bitcoin, I would say, is pretty unstable. All right, it's obviously bullish, but there's a potential that Bitcoin actually drops down quite severely here. And in that case, if Bitcoin really starts dropping down to, well, let's say below 42,000, then Cardano will follow. All right, and then the analysis I will give you after kind of goes out the door. All right, in general, right now the correlation between Cardano and Bitcoin has been decreasing, so that's good if Bitcoin were to fall, but it's still very high. All right, so just know that. But for now, just looking at Cardano, it is very bullish. I'm not sure if that's justified. You can see that the open interest in the last week has grown a lot in the last day as well. In the last day, it has grown from 190 to about 240. So that's an increase of about 20%, which for a big crypto like Cardano is a lot. But then apart from that, if you look at the Cardano blockchain, you see that the total value locked has been growing quite a lot as well. In the last, well, let's say in the last 2 months, it has grown from about 150 to over $300 million, which is a doubling. All right, so Cardano, I think, does deserve this. If you look at Polygon, for example, excuse me, if you look at Polygon, total value locked is practically the same. And then if you count up their CK EVM with that, there's some growth, but not that much. So look, I do think Cardano deserves this bullish momentum. I think it goes without question that there's also some sort of manipulation going on, as in that the volume is around $1 billion and there's a ton of volume coming from exchanges, which I don't really trust. But still, it is bullish. So the big question then is, can it rally up higher? And the obvious answer is yes. But what needs to happen is that right now, look, Cardano will probably stay bullish, or at least I expect that Bitcoin will stay bullish, even though we might see some consolidation first. And therefore, I see no reason why Cardano would turn bearish, especially not after the rally we had in the last week or in the last couple of days. But whether it's possible to get up towards 58 and 60 cents now, which is the next price target, or not, depends on if Cardano is able to hold 50 cents, all right? Because from the current resistance, or from 54 cents, it will test the support at 50 cents. And if that holds, let's say for 24 hours, that's already enough. Just initially it needs to hold. Then I think Cardano will get up to 58 or 60 cents. If it does not hold, all right, so these are the two scenarios. In either case, I'm still bullish on Cardano, but the trajectory is a bit different. Because if Cardano is not or holds 50 cents and then breaks down below it, then I think it's more likely we'll see a pullback down to 46, 44. So let's say 45 cents, a consolidation there, and then eventually, but that could still take some time, another breakout above 50 cents and a continuation up to 58 and 60 cents. If I would say what's most likely, I would say the pullback. All right, because I do expect a bit of a pullback from Bitcoin as well. The weekend is probably going to be a hell of a lot quieter, so usually that means momentum will drop down, which is the one thing Cardano needs right now. So yeah, those are my thoughts. All right, if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.